Pixellab. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So we're going to go over to Pixellab. I'm going to use decent size. Alright, this is the size. Alright, so if you check the design, which is this design right here, you would see that the background consists of purple, alright, and another color. Let me show you something. So let's come over here. Let's get the background. But before that, let's get the original design because it is very much needed here. This is the original design, right? So check the background. You'll see that it consists of one particular color, which is this purple right here. Okay. Now, if you check also, you will see that there's a shape that comes right there. Well, let's leave the shape first. Let's go over and bring in this guy. This is the product that is being advertised, Milka. Alright, so it's just going to be there. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Alright. So this Milka, right? Very well. Now, after this Milka right here, we have all our stuff. So we have a shape that's going to come like this. So what we'll do it is that we'll do a curve. Sorry. Alright, like a rectangular shape, and then we'll do a curve like this. Alright, so let me check this. Okay. Right, we'll still need to make it curve like this. So it's going to be somewhere there. Right, then we'll bring another shape, but this one is going to be just like this. So we're merging both together. We'll make sure that they are actually in tourish order. So you try to adjust them very well, and then before you merge both of them together. Right, so I've formed the shape, right? So this shape is going to be right here, right? So put it like this. Okay, then there's another one here again. It's also going to be here. Alright, let's increase it. Sorry, let's increase this guy. Just put it there like this. Let's increase this guy. So stuff like that, right? Notice that there are other shapes around it, but let's just move these guys. So we'll copy this one. We'll pick a color from the original design. Right, so we'll put it here. Bring this to the front. Alright, so the same thing we'll do here. After you've done this, you want to merge, then you come over here, you bring this shape like this. Alright, then you send it to the back. The next thing you want to do is merge all these guys together. Alright, then the next thing you want to do, I think there's something missing. We still need to merge this and this to merge both together. Alright, so you can come over here now. You can remove the one that is not needed, which is the white. Alright, the white has been removed. Then you come again, select the color so that white can totally disappear. No, not that. Alright, okay, so I can send this to the back now. Alright, so this can be here. You see that plate that's looking somehow. Okay, so we can bring in the background behind it, which is this guy here. Alright, this guy can actually be behind now. If you send to the back, you'll see it. So you can actually be behind like that. So you see that now. drag it. Let me bring it to the front. This guy. So you need to drag it a little. Okay. Send to the back. Right. I'm locking this guy. Lock this guy then so I can adjust this. Yeah. Alright. So after that you can bring this guy to the front. Alright, it's gonna be there like this. Alright, then after that you can come over here now and do this guy. Alright, you can bring this guy here. Let's increase this. Let's centralize it. Let's copy it. Let's do this. Okay, let's reduce it right here. Okay, do like this. No, compress it like this. It's looking too big in my eye, so you need to reduce it. Then what you do is decompress it. What you do now is decompress it. Okay, then you can come over here and reduce the opacity like this. Alright, then you can come over here now and bring this guy. Where are you? I'll bring this guy here. Now, to make this kind of design look very well, you need to play a lot with shadows. Alright, so I'm going to get this sticker, which I'm going to use as my shadow. So I'm going to lock it and move it. Just move it here, and then you can unlock it again, and then go over here, select the color for it, black, because it's talking about shadow right here. So I'm going to come over here. I will do this, rotate, put it here. Alright, then I'll try to copy it. That's the shadow, put it there again. Alright, I'll copy it again. I will put it here at the base here. Alright, can you see that now? So it gives us a shadow effect. Alright, then whereas, okay, so we can bring this one now to the front like this. Alright, are you seeing that shadow right there? Cool. Then we can come over here. There is this guy in the original design. So notice that this shadow is also around probably here. Let's reduce it like this. Alright, somewhere here like this. Okay, as you can see from the original design. So I'm just going to reduce the opacity and tiny it like this. Okay, it's too obvious. If it's too obvious, just go and reduce the opacity. Alright, like that. I see that now. Cool, right? Then the next thing you want to do is, if you notice at the base, the body, or rather, you would have this guy. So let's come over to here, and we're going to get this content. I think this knot right here. We're going to blur it. Alright, we're going to blur it. To blur it, click on original. Okay, click on original, and then you move over to I'm not seeing it. Let's click on background. Alright, so let's look for the blur effect. Alright, this is a blur. Click on it like this. Alright, click on graphics, and then go over to blur, enable it, and you can just maybe increase it. Alright, you can use motion or this. I like to use motion. Alright, so you can just come over here and save it now. It has been saved. So come back again to Pixellab and you bring in that guy that you're just working on just now, which is this guy here. Alright, so we'll just try and cut maybe one of it. What is it? Right, so it's going to be maybe here, and we'll copy it. I can put the other one somewhere here. Alright, so let's part ways with the original design. So we have something like this right now. Alright, then we can bring in this guy here, which is going to be the logo, Milka. Bring it to the front like this, and we'll just adjust it here at the base. Okay, so let's try to bring it here, Milka. Alright, let's move this guy up here. Let's move this guy up here too. Alright, so let's move this shadow here. Let's move this shadow here. Alright, I see that now. So then let's bring this text here. Alright, we'll just reduce it very very small right here. Don't forget to like this video and share it to a friend if you're enjoying the tutorial. So just want to reduce this guy and put it right here, just very small like that there. Right. Okay. So if you look at the original design, look like this particular glass, this guy here is kind of different. So what we'll do is that we'll come over here, click on adjust. Okay. Click on adjust and you do this. You can adjust it like this. Alright. Or you can reduce opacity like this. Alright. This is the brightness. So let's increase the brightness a little. Let's move it. Let's move it to the top. I want us to move it to the top. So let's go up. Alright, remember that there are some trees or some leaves that we have not added. So let's go over here. Let's bring in this one. Alright, so let's try to crop. Instead of cropping it, let me remove one of it. So I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to remove this one first. Right, so this is it. So go over here, reduce opacity. Right, so if you check the originals, let's go over to it. If you check the original, you see that this leaf is inside, this leaf is outside. Alright, so one is inside, one is outside. So this one is going to be outside. Okay, like this. Check. Alright, and it's looking like it's touching this part here. Alright, so let's see if I can still rotate it. Okay, like this. Alright, then there's another one that's inside. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to crop, not really crop. Okay, so let's rather okay, so let's delete this one. Let's bring in the other one. So let's remove this. Let's move this guy. Okay, so we have this guy here. Okay, so we'll turn it like this, rotate it. So this will be inside, right? So for this to be inside, we just put it like this. Right? Put it like this. Check again. Okay, so put it like this. Let's save ourselves the stress of turning up on that. So this is going to be inside. Alright. So just send it to the back, and then we'll send this guy to the back also. Alright, so we can actually touch this. We can actually touch this and maybe just do a little editing. So increase the brightness a little. Alright, so for this I can still do the same thing, increase the brightness a little. Alright, so this is what we have. So this will come to the front. Alright, then this lock it. This will come to the front too. This will come to the front. This will come to the front. Then the other guys here, they'll come to the front. So let's go. Alright, so come bring this to the front again. So this is what we have. Alright, so after you're done doing the design, you can go ahead and save it. Right, so let's go ahead and save this design right now. So it has been saved. So after saving it, you go over to maybe Snapseed. Alright, after you go to Snapseed, you bring in that design that you have just saved, which is this one, which was designed right now. Alright, then you just go over to Pop. Okay. Alright, so then you come over here, go to details and just increase this. It's too much. Alright, it's okay. Alright, do you go ahead and save. Right, so let's save it first. But we're not done yet. We'll take it now to Pixellab. So let's go over add on to Pixellab. So we are right now going to Pixellab. This Pixellab right here. So I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to bring in this design we just saved, which is this one right here. Right, the next thing I want to do is to go to add photos and go to downloads. Right, look for the lens flare that's been downloaded. I don't use that one. I'll look for something else. Alright, this is what I am going to use. I'm going to add it right now to the design. I'm going to go over to blend. I'm going to click on screen right there. So I'm going to stretch this out like this. You see the effect already. So I'm going to put it towards this side. Alright, so you can actually adjust it if you want. You can increase it like this, or you can reduce this. So let's leave it here. So that's it. Then come over here, duplicate it. The one that I've duplicated, you can move it somewhere here. Alright, so you can just move it somewhere here. Alright, you can just add that effect somewhere here. Alright, see that now. So remember, if it's too much, you can reduce the opacity. Alright, but I think this is not so bad. So this is what we have at the end of our design. Alright, you can go ahead and save your design right now by clicking this button here. Okay, and if you still want to edit it, you can go again to Snapseed and you do some editing. My name is Nia. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend so that more people will benefit from it. So this is the final design. If you want to edit it more, you can come here and you can adjust it. You can do whatever you want to do with it. So this is the final design. Let's work on a little contrast, saturation. Alright, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next tutorial.